So good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So good morning Viresh, Ramaswamy, Srinivas, Lakshmi. Thank you Viresh, Madhavi Reddy, Tech student Pavitra, Alibaba. So thank you one and all. Thank you for your constant. Okay, Madhavi Reddy. I will go through it, Madhavi Reddy. I will go through Madhavi Reddy. Okay, Guntur Dhanalakshmi. Right, welcome all of you. So yesterday up to 556 problems we have completed. Okay, statistics completed. Okay, Mother Day I will discuss later. Please don't be make it spam. Dhanalakshmi. Okay, I will discuss about the reduced syllabus in IPE. Okay. Bongapelli Raju, welcome. Now 57th question. 57th question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A does not equal to 0. Or if a plus b plus c, yes Alibaba. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are a minus b by a comma c by a. Option B 1 comma c by a. C minus 1 comma c by a. D 1 comma minus c by a. Okay, no problem. A plus b plus c equals to 0, then the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a does not equal to 0. So now the condition is given, this condition, if sum of all the coefficients of a quadratic equation 0, then what are the roots? This is very important criteria. So that means actually you remember one hint. Put x is equal to 1. Let us see what do we get. So in this equation, put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c equals to 0. So that means you get 1 square is 1, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. That means 1 satisfies this quadratic equation. That means x is equal to 1 is a root. So therefore x is equal to 1 is a root. So that means say alpha is equal to 1. Now other root we need to find out. So we know that product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. So in this alpha is equal to 1 substitute. So 1 into beta equals to c by a. Now beta equals to c by a. Therefore roots are 1 and product of the roots is c by a. That means option B is the right option. Option B is the right option. Okay, Aravind Reddy, thank you. So daily timetable means you watch Naveen, Mr. Naveen. Tarak, welcome Nandu. Question. if P plus Q plus R equals to 0, then the roots of Px square plus Qx plus R is equal to 0. P does not equal to 0. Or option A, minus 1 comma R by P. B, minus 1 comma minus R by P. C, minus Q by P, R by P. D, 1 comma R by P. So which is the right option? Which is the right option? See, P plus Q plus R equals to 0. That means sum of the coefficients of this quadratic equation, Px square plus Qx plus R is equal to 0, is 0. Then the roots. Roots are, one root is 1, other root is product of the hint. Since we can write like this, sum of the coefficients so that is P plus Q plus R equals to 0. Therefore roots are 1 and product of the roots is equal to constant term by x square coefficient, R by P. So that means that option D is the right option. Option D is the right option. 59. If the roots of B minus C x square plus C minus AX plus A minus B equal to 0. Here B does not equal to 0. Or that means the roots of B minus C x square plus C minus AX plus A minus B equals to 0 are, first A option is 1 comma A minus B by B minus C. B, minus 1 comma A minus B by B minus C. C, 1 comma B minus C by A minus B. D, 1 comma 1. So which is the right option? This is very important question. Very important question. It may be useful for IIT entrance examination also, JEE mains examination also. It's very important question. EAMCET examination also, NTSE examinations, very important. If you are able to do this problem, you can do any problem. So what is the right answer? So whenever these kind of problems are given, check sum of the coefficients. If the sum of the coefficients is 0, then we say that 1 is one root, product of the roots itself is the other root. Very good Viresh. So now hint, sum of the coefficients. Very good. Sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients means B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. What do you get? Yes, B cancel, C cancels, A cancel, 0. So therefore roots are 1 and product of the roots. Product of the roots. Other root is product of the roots. So that implies 1 comma product of the roots means constant term. This is a constant term divided by x square coefficient. A minus b upon b minus c. Yes, you are correct. Option A is the right option. No negative mark. There is no negative mark. Chanda Jagadeep. No problem. No, not striking. It will come. It will come. Don't worry. Shall I move to next question? Shall I move to next question? 60. Question number 60. If the roots of b minus c x square plus c minus a x plus a minus b equals to 0, b does not equal to c, are equal, roots are equal, then relationship among a comma b and c is the relationship between a comma b comma c. We need to find out a value. 2c is equal to a plus b. Option B. 2a is equal to equals to a plus c. Option C. 2b is equal to c plus a. Option D. 2b is equal to c minus a. Which is the relation? Which is the relation? Let us make a plan. So if you go through the previous problem, the roots are obviously 1 comma product of the zeros. Sorry, product of the roots. That is 1 comma a minus b by b minus c. But what is given as per the condition? They are equal. We need to equate 1 and product of the roots. Then we get the condition. The roots of this equation are equal. Then the relationship among a comma b comma c. See the hint. Since sum of the coefficients equals to b minus c x square coefficient plus x coefficient c minus a plus a minus b. B gets cancelled, C gets cancelled, A gets cancelled, 0. Roots. What are the roots? Roots are 1 comma a minus b upon b minus c. According to the problem, they are equal. These two are equal. These two are equal means 1 equals to a minus b by b minus c. Cross multiplication. So b minus c equals to a minus b. Take minus b this side, take minus c this side. B plus b equals to c plus a. So 2b equals to c plus a. Or we can say one more condition also. What is the condition? One more condition also we can say that b is the arithmetic mean between a and c. Or we can say that a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. This is also correct answer. Arithmetic progression. So option C is the right option. Option C. 61. Question number 61. Question number 61. The roots of a times b minus c x square plus b times c minus a of x plus c times a minus b equals to 0. B does not equal to C. Or option A, minus 1 comma C times A minus B by A times B minus C. Option B, 1 comma C times A minus B comma A times B minus C. C, 1 minus 1 comma minus C times A minus B by A times B minus C. Option D, 1 comma 1. Option D. You try this question. I will give the time. This will be useful for IIT entrance also. Very good. Option B, Viresh, correct. Very good. Option B, Soni. Bedadi Sai Kumar, correct. I explained the super trick to you. 1 comma product of the roots. Just write down. That's all. Naveen, correct. Why not, Aishwarya? You can join. No problem. Anybody can join. It is to everybody. Open to everybody. Free online classes. Absolutely free. Yes, I trick already explained you. Yes, Raju. I will try to put in the same evening 4:30. Sometimes it may change to 8:20. Okay, now let us do it now. See, first we need to check whether A into B minus C plus B into C minus A plus C into A minus B is 0 or not. Yes. See the hint. Sum of the coefficients. Sum of coefficients. This equals to A times of B minus C plus B times of C minus A. We need to check it, that's all. Plus C times of A minus B. Obviously you will get 0 because they are cyclic. AB minus CA, BC minus AB plus CA minus BC. C plus AB minus AB cancel, minus CA plus CA cancel, plus BC minus BC cancel 0. So therefore we have the roots. Roots are 1 and product of the zeros. That means C into A minus B by this one. C times A minus B upon A times B minus C. So that's why B is the right option. B is the right option. Right. 62. Question number 62. The roots of log of x square minus 6x plus 45 to the base 10 equal to 2 are option A 9 comma minus 5, option B minus 9 comma 5, option C 11 comma minus 5, option D minus 11 comma 5, minus 11 comma 5. So why this my intention, because actually you are all my students. Definitely I will interact with you people, don't worry. Even during the chat also you can ask the doubts. The roots of log of x square minus 6x plus 45 to the base 10 is equal to r. So that means first of all we need to change into, this is the logarithmic form, exponential form. Then after that we will get a quadratic equation and we need to solve it. So the hint, so this can be changed like this: x square minus 6x plus 45 equals to 10 square. This is the exponential form. So x square minus 6x plus 45, 10 square is 100. Bring 100 this side. X square minus 6x plus 45 minus 100 minus 55 equals to 0. Now the factorization. Let us go for the factorization. Let me explain. So product must be minus 55, sum should be minus 6. Minus 55 equals to into and minus 6 equals to sum of the two numbers. We need to search for the two numbers whose product is minus 55, whose sum is minus 6. See, I will write 11 5 ja 55, but it should be minus 6. I will write minus 11 and plus 5. Here put minus. So the minus 6x can be written as like this: minus 11x plus 5x. So this actually leads to solve our problem. So now this can be solved: x square minus 11x plus 5x minus 55 equals to 0. First two terms take x common, we have x minus 11 plus 5 common, we have x minus 11 equals to 0. So we have x minus 11 common. X minus 11 into x plus 5 equals to 0. So therefore directly we can write x is equal to 11 and minus 5 is the answer. So option C is the right option. Option C is the right option. Sixty-three. 63. 63. 63. The roots of the equation the roots of the equation 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 32 equals to 0 are A 1 comma 2, B 3 comma 4, C 2 comma 3, D 1 comma 3. One comma 3. Okay, Ramaswamy. Right. The roots of the equation 4 power x minus 3 times through 2 power x plus 2 plus 32 is equal to 0 are. We need to find out. All of you carefully observe. It's very simple problem. Don't worry. I'll give the hint. 4 power x 4 can be written. This 2 power x whole square you can write it. 2 square is 4 and this will be 4 to the power of x only. Minus 3 times 2 power x plus 2 can be written 2 power x into 2 square plus 32 equals to 0. Let us say this 2 power x is equal to something a. That implies we get like this: a square minus 3 into 2 square is 4. 12a plus 32 equals to 0. So let us solve it now. Let us solve it now. 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja 32. Minus 8 into minus 4. This 32 we can write minus 8 into minus 4. So minus 8 plus minus 4 is minus 12 only. This we can write a square minus 8a minus 4a plus 32 equals to 0. A common, we have a minus 8 minus 4 common, a minus 8 equals to 0. A minus 8 times a minus 4 equals to 0. But a is originally, you see, 2 power x. So we get a equals to 8 and a equals to 4. But a equals to 2 power x. Our aim is to find out x. This 2 power x is equal to, we can write 2 cube. Now 2 power x is equal to, we can write 2 square. So that means x equal to 3, x equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 comma 3. This answer. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Yes, option C is the right option. Thank you, Sai Kumar. Thank you, Sai Kumar. Yes, all of you like and subscribe, but you are not actually forwarding your chart regarding offline session also. Sixty-four. 64. if the roots of 12x square minus mx plus 5 is equal to 0 are in the ratio 3:2, then the value of m is option A 5 root 10, option B 10 root 5, option C 25 root 2, option D 15 root 5. No. Even though your reduced syllabus is there, that's a competitive entrance examination that may come in EAMCET examination. If the roots of 12x square minus mx plus 5 is equal to 0 are in the ratio 3:2, then the value of m, so here apply the super shortcut. Hint: given m is to n is equal to 3:2. Here a equals to 12 x square coefficient, b equals to minus m, and c is equal to 5. First find mn. Mn means 3 into 2, 6. M plus n, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So we have the shortcut. So I don't have the phone number, personal phone number is there, that I will forward later. So now we have the super shortcut. Mn b square equals to m plus n whole square into ac. Let us substitute the shortcut. Mn equals to 6. b square means minus m whole square. M plus n 5 square is 25. AC 12 into 5. So m square equals to 25 into 12 into 5 upon 6. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. That means 25 into 10. M value is equal to square root of 25 into 10. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 root 10. A is the right option. 65. If the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a does not equal to 0, or numerically equal but opposite in sign. In sign means symbols, plus or minus. Then A C equals to 0, B A equals to 1, C B equals to 0, D B equals to 1. Ramaswamy, later tomorrow I shall give it, don't worry. Right. The roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are numerically equal but opposite in sign. The numerically equal but opposite in sign means they are additive inverses. Additive inverses. That means here hint, roots are alpha comma minus alpha. That means sum equals to alpha plus minus alpha equals to 0. So numerically equal but opposite in sign means sum is equal to 0. Sum is equal to 0 means what is the sum here? Sum means minus b by a. Minus b by a equals to 0. By cross multiplication, we get minus b is equal to 0. Multiply with minus 1. So b equals to 0. That means coefficient of x equals to 0. See, 65. 66. K. Harita, welcome. Sixty-six question. If the roots of x square plus log k to the base 3 minus 2 of x plus 5 equals to 0. Are numerically equal but opposite in sign. Opposite in sign. Then the value of k is, provided k is greater than 0. Option A 6, option B 9, option C 1, option D 3. See, the roots of this quadratic equation are numerically equal but opposite in sign. Then the value of k we need to find out. Since roots are numerically equal but opposite in sign, the x coefficient, this must be 0. This must be 0. Hint. Coefficient of x, this is a super shortcut, equals to 0. So that means log k to the base 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies log k to the base 3 is equal to 2. Now change into exponential form. K equals to 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. So yes, option B is the right option. Option B. Sixty-seven question. Same timings Lata. Kota Lata. Right. If 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square equals to 0, then the value of x is to y is option A 3 is to 2, B 2 is to 3, C 3 is to 1 and 1 is to 2, D 5 is to 6. If 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square is equal to 0, then the value of x is to y we need to find out. So now see the solution. It's a quadratic equation only. Don't worry. I will solve it. 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square equals to 0. That means if you are able to find out the factors of left hand side, this problem can be cracked in easy manner. So that means just multiply 3 with 2. So you have 6. Product should be 6. Sum should be minus 7. What are such numbers? Minus 1 times minus 6. So minus 1 plus minus 6. So the middle term need to be split as minus xy and minus 6xy. So we can write 2x square and this can be written minus xy minus 6xy plus 3y square equals to 0. From these two we can take out x common. If you take x common, 2x minus y. Here we can take out minus 3y common because 3 is there, y square is there. 3y common. If you take 3y common, you will be getting 2x minus y upon is equal to 0. So 2x minus y is common. We have x minus 3y equals to 0. We have 2x minus y equals to 0, or we get, go back, x minus 3y equals to 0. So 2x equals to y. Bring y this side to this side. 1 x upon y equals to 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 3y. Bring y this side, that's all. X upon y is equal to 3. 3 means 3 by 1. Therefore x is to y. X is to y is equal to 1 is to 2 or 3 is to 1. Both options are correct. Both are correct here. Not both options. 1 is to 2 or 3 is to 1. Option C is the right option. Option C. Sixty-eight. The common root of x square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and x square plus cx plus b equals to 0 is option A 2, option B 1, option C B, option D C. So the common root of these two equations we need to find out. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x square plus cx plus b is equal to 0. The common root we need to find out. What is the common root? What is the common root? See here solution. Hint. See, for common root x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, say equation 1, this x square plus cx plus b equals to 0, say equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Change the signs. Minus. This is minus. X square cancel. Bx minus cx, x common, b minus c plus c minus b equals to 0. We need to solve it. Take c minus b that side. X times b minus c equals to, this becomes b minus c. So therefore x equals to b minus c upon b minus c. So cancel, we get 1. So x is equal to 1 is the common root. So B is the right option. B is the right option. Pujita, welcome Pujita. Welcome Pujita. $69. If x square plus ax plus b equals to 0 and x square plus bx plus a is equal to 0, have common root. Then the relationship between small a and small b is option A plus b equals to -1, a linear equation in a comma b, a plus b is equal to -1, a plus b equals to 1, option C a minus b equals to 1, option D a minus b equals to -1. Anybody? Make use of 68th problem to solve this problem. X square plus ax plus b is equal to 0, x square plus bx plus a is equal to 0 have common root. Then the relationship between a and b we need to find out. So that means actually first we need to find out the common root. What will be the common root? Common root means for common root subtract this equation from this equation, we get x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 either of the equations. Put x is equal to 1 in this equation. So what do you get? 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equals to 0. So we get 1 plus a plus b equals to 0. Take away 1 that side. Therefore we get a plus b equals to -1. Option A is the right option. Option A is the right option. Yes. Subhadra. 70. 70. If ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and bx square plus cx plus a is equal to 0, have common root. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube upon 3abc equals to, here conditions are a does not equal to, b does not equal to, c does not equal to 0. Right. Option A is 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D -3. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, bx square plus cx plus a is equal to 0, have common root. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube upon abc. So now we need to find out. See the hint. By observation, common root is x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 either of the equations, or this equation or this equation. We get the condition. So that implies put x is equal to 1 in this one. A into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c equals to 0. We get a plus b plus c equals to 0. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we have very important property. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. Please remember, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Take abc this side. So therefore we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube upon abc equal to 3. Constant you will get it. Option C is the right option. C is the right option. Seventy-one. The roots of x square 5 mod x plus 6 equals to 0 are option A 3, 2, option B 3, -2, option C -3, 2, option D plus or minus 3, plus or minus 2. Anybody, what is the answer? What is the answer? D. Very good, Sulochana. Right. Let us see. See, first let me explain the concept here. Modulus concept. So what is the concept means? Mod x equals to something, say A, where A is positive greater than 0, then x equals to plus or minus A. And one more thing, mod x whole square is nothing but x only. Mod x square is equal to x square. Mod x square is equal to x square. So now this can be written as like this. Hint. This x square can be replaced mod x whole square. 5 mod x can be written 3 mod x plus minus 2 mod x plus 6 equals to 0. From first two terms take mod x common. You have mod x minus 3 minus 2 common, mod x minus 3 equals to 0. From these two we can take out mod x minus 3 common. Mod x minus 3 into mod x minus 2 equals to 0. So mod x equal to 3 and mod x equal to 2. Using this relation we get x is equal to plus or minus 3. Here we get x is equal to plus or minus 2. What is the answer? D is the right option. D is the right option. D is the right option. (72) The roots of x square minus 4 mod x minus 5 is equal to 0 are A plus or minus 5, B plus or minus 1, C 1 comma 5, D minus 1 comma minus 5. Mod means always positive. MOD mod, not MEAD, MOD. Modulus of a function. That's a modulus of any real number is always positive. That means let me explain what is the mod means. Modulus of negative 3 is equal to 3. Modulus of positive 3 is 3. Modulus of 0 is equal to 0. This is the concept of mod. Mod means modulus. Good question you are asked. It's a modulus. Modulus. Right. Okay, let us solve it now. Hint. So this we can write mod x whole square minus 4 mod x minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 5 equals to 0. Mod x square, this can be written 5 mod x plus mod x minus 5 equals to 0. That means middle term can be written as minus 5 mod x plus mod x. Okay, now let us take mod x common out. If you take mod x common out, we get mod x minus 5 plus 1 common, we have mod x minus 5 equal to 0. So mod x minus 5 is common. We have mod x plus 1 equals to 0. We get two solutions. Mod x minus 5 is equal to 0 means mod x is equal to 5 and mod x is equal to minus 1. See, you check modulus of values. Mod of negative 3 also plus 3. Mod of positive 3 also 3. Mod 0, 0. Mod never be negative. Never be negative means here mod x doesn't have any solution. It has the solution. Here x equals to plus or minus 5. Only two solutions. A is the right option. A is the right option. (73) The set of solution of x square plus 5 mod x plus 6 is equal to 0 is option A pi null set, B 2 comma 3 set 2 comma 3, C minus 2 comma 3, D minus 2 comma minus 3. First find the roots and make it a set. Root is also called set. Then can you find out? Can you find out? Can you find out? Okay, let us try now. Hint. This x square we can write mod x whole square. This can be written plus 3 mod x plus 2 mod x plus 6 equals to 0. So mod x common, we have mod x plus 3 plus 2 common, we have mod x plus 3 equals to 0. Now mod x plus 3 is common, we have mod x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have mod x plus 3 equals to 0. Mod x is equal to minus 3. Mod x is equal to minus 2. So here modulus of a real number is always positive. Always positive. But here we negative means no solution, no solution. No solution. It has no solution means set A is equal to, or set of the solution set is equal to pi, or null set. Yes. A is the right answer. A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Seventy-fourth. The sum of the roots of x square minus 2 mod x plus 3 equals to 0 are A 0, B 2, C 3, D minus 2. The sum of the roots of this quadratic equation we need to find out. The sum of the roots, sum of the real roots, write on better instead of this. Sum of real roots. Sum of real roots of x minus 2 mod x plus 3 equals to 0. So now first let us find out the roots. Because this modulus means generally one must be tempted to write the answer option B. Option B is wrong or option D is wrong. Okay. This we can write mod x square minus 2 mod x plus 3 equals to 0. So this can be written. Sorry, this is question I have given wrong. Three mod x plus 2 equals to 0. This must be like this. Three, 2. So we need to split it, this one. We need to split it. So mod x square minus 2 mod x minus mod x plus 2 equals to 0. Take mod x common. We have mod x minus 2 minus 1 common, mod x minus 2 equals to 0. So we have mod x minus 2 common and mod x minus 1 equals to 0. So mod x equals to 2 and mod x equals to 1. So x equals to plus or minus 2, x equals to plus or minus 1. Sum of the roots. Wait, I will tell you super trick also. Sum of the roots means plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. 2 cancel, 1 cancel, 0. So option A is the right option. So my dear children, always remember, whenever in a quadratic equation, if you find mod x is there, sum of the real roots is always 0. So that you can remember super trick. The sum of the real roots of a mod x square plus b mod x plus c is equal to 0 is 0. Without any calculating, without all these steps, directly we can write 0. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you. So have a nice day. Share to your friends too also. Subscribe and like it. Okay, and comment on it. So after completion of the session, in the offline session also, you can find the below description box. You have the comment section. So you need to comment it. All of you understood well? I hope you might have understood my class. Okay. So share to so many friends. It will be useful for free online classes, absolutely. So you need to make use of this one. It will be useful for all sort of competitive entrance examinations.